Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back at Sherry Vans, and we are super excited for a new offering here at the dealership. It's the all-new mobility van. Let's check it out. This mobility van is built on the Grand Caravan chassis. This particular one is on a used 2016 SXT with a brand new conversion here for the mobility. As you can see, it had power liftgate. I opened it up with the remote here. What's beautiful about this system is it's all mechanical. There's no moving parts that are done with motors or anything, and you can do it all with one hand. So there's two latches that keep the ramp system secure and keep it from rattling while you're going down the road. And then literally with one hand right on the grab handle, you can lower the ramp. Now this is not a heavy ramp because it's actually assisted, the weight of it, with two shocks inside of this ramp. So whether you're raising or lowering it, the max amount of weight you're gonna enforce on this is just at 6.5 pounds. Now, so you notice here it has a really nice shallow approach to be able to wheel your wheelchair up into this van. The width on the actual ramp here is 34 inches, and the tight spot being right here, the ramp catch, is just under 33 inches wide with a 34-inch wide channel here. Now the ramp itself is powder coated, so it's going to look good for years to come. And the sides here are actually ceramic coated, so it's really going to perform well in all types of weather and conditions. So this particular van is upfitted to hold up to 2 wheelchairs inside this channel. This channel itself is just over 90 inches deep, and it has the Q-strand tie downs in the floor and the shoulder belts already in place for up to 2 wheelchairs. Now the van itself does come with one system of the tie downs. They're called the Q-strands, and we'll show you about that a little bit more in the video. So let's go ahead and transition to the side of this van and check out what they've done in the back seating compartment. Now this particular van, being an SXT, is going to have the power sliding doors on the side here. So we'll get them opened up. And what ATS, the mobility company, has done is they've been able to use the factory rear seats. They just simply have moved them over a little bit. So with that, really allows for up to 4 passengers plus your wheelchair in this van to be able to sit comfortably and safely. Okay, as we're in the interior of this mobility van, I wanted to show you how a full-size 6-foot tall adult would fit in these rear 2 seats. So they are moved closer to the side, but they still do fit, still has the factory seat belts, and still able to go down the road with 2 people and the person in the wheelchair back here in the rear. Now the wheelchair is secured down by the Q-strand secure systems here. They're super easy to put into the floor, and it's similar to like a ratchet strap. These will come out, hook into all 4 corners of the wheelchair, and then tighten them right up. So this particular van, it's been produced to be the price leader, but also the quality leader in this rear entry segment. Beautiful thing about a rear entry mobility van is you're able to park in any parking spot and get your mobility wheelchair in and out of this van without having to worry about the space beside you to be empty like you do in a side entry wheelchair van. Also, this van can fit in your garage, no issue there. It's not raised up or anything like that where you'd have clearance issues to fit in your garage. And priced, these pre-owned ones under $30,000, super affordable. Financing is available, and we do have the ability to ship nationwide. So whether you're here in Ohio or all the way out in Colorado, we'd love an opportunity to talk to you on the phone and see if this particular mobility van suits your needs. Chances are you'll find it does, and it's a super well-built van. So for more information, we'll post links below how to contact us. And with that, my name's Mike Sherry, and we hope to be hearing from you soon.